These plates are lightweight, durable and microwave safe, as well as lead-free and non-toxic. The plates are suitable for like small tacos and desserts, snacks, cupcakes, or any other appetizers. It has a very sleek design and very slow and very small slope in the middle, making it a lot more elegant than regular serving plates, and also has a very plain design that can match any type of table setting or any aesthetic of the living room or the kitchen. And because of its compact in contemporary design, it makes it really elegant on no matter which setting. As you can see, I'm putting a bowl to the side to really showcase how well balanced is on plate, as you can see. Also, I'm putting more weight on it, and I need to put considerable weight before the plate tips over. So even if the majority of the food is placed on one side, it will not likely to tip anytime soon. The plates so easy to handle. They are hefty without being too heavy. They are like very heavy duty. It feels very high quality, and overall, I'm just very satisfied with this purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.